Today's control is ISM-1998, and it's all about integration. It says your board must ensure cybersecurity is embedded across all business functions, not just IT, but finance, HR, legal, procurement, and beyond. Let me explain it this way. If cyber risk is only spoken about in the server room, then your business is running blind in half its departments. Imagine a car where only the engine has a security system, but the doors, windows, and boot are wide open. That's what happens when cybersecurity isn't integrated across the business. I've seen organizations where the finance team handles invoices via unsecured tools, or HR shares PII through outdated portals, completely outside the security bubble. That's not integration, that's fragmentation. So, here's the move. Ask yourself, does every function in your business understand and apply cyber practices relevant to them? Because if not, you're falling short of ISM 1998.